Today is 10th April 2022. We are starting a new week on 11th April, and as I said last time, you can see that the retracement of the head and shoulder. This is the from. You can please look at the cursor. This is the head, this is the shoulder, this is the head. I'm very sorry, this is the shoulder, this is the head, and this is the shoulder, and then the retracement. Head and shoulder retracement has happened in the last week, but decisively did not um, cut the shoulder level. 2 days it went above the shoulder level, but it did not cut the shoulder level, and from then uh, Nifty has been below that retracement level. This is a very indecisive kind of a phase, very difficult to say whether it will cross this level or not. The level now that needs to be crossed is 17,784. Sorry, 17,995, around 18,000 level. People are predicting 18,000 levels because of the last moment rally that we saw on 8th April. I am a little skeptical. Let's hope that I am wrong and this 18,000 is breached. Once we breach 18,000, then the target is 18,250, and or maybe the high of 18,300, and then it will be very, very decisive to see what will happen after 18,300 is crossed. That's about Nifty. Now let's look at the Sensex. Since Sensex and Nifty are mirroring the same things, but still the numbers we'll have to look at these. The breach has to happen at 60,216 or so, and it has to breach 60,825 and the target of 61,439 for a big up move. But this is again indecisive, as I said earlier. I am not very sure whether Sensex or Nifty are really poised for an up move in the next week. I find that the market will be sideways. Bank Nifty has you can see here, this is the trend line which I had drawn on Bank Nifty, and last week 2 times in last week it has closed above the trend line, but then again 3 days it has closed below the trend line, but it's very, very near. So hopefully these 2 days was probably because of the HDFC Bank news, which I had again spoken about in the last video also. So what we can see here is around 37,900 seems to be the breakaway. If it breaks out, then probably the Bank Nifty may go up. But my earlier videos also I have said that Bank Nifty had given a buy signal at 36,124, and the target was 38,784, which is 38,780, which is what has happened in the last week. So once the target is reached, there is no guarantee that it will go beyond the target. That is anybody's guess. So let's wait and watch in the next week. I think it is going to be a sideways business next week. Asian Paints. Now let's look at all the stocks. Asian Paints is still on the buy side. The first target is 3,300, second target is 3,365, final target is 3,540. Britannia Industries has just given a buy signal. Fantastic, very good buy signal has been given here. First target is 3427, next target is 3635, next target is 3681, ultimate target is 3783, 400 rupees up from here. That is the target. Some problem in the software. 1 minute. Yes, it is open. Cipla is you can look at this. Cipla is a big flag pattern, but the flag has to be broken at 1075 for the next move to come. Next move will be another 150 points or so, and since it has been going sideways, a little word of caution. The stop loss for Cipla is 975. It is at 1011 right now. Eicher Motors, last week I had said that this breakout has happened. Now the breakout is clearly visible here. So first target is 2774, final target is 2874. We another 200 rupees from here. Nestle, again, last time I had not spoken about this. I had said that the breakout has not yet happened. Now the breakout has happened, and the first target is already reached 18,452. Second target is 18,698. Final target is 20,000 rupees. That's about Nestle. Grasim. Grasim breakout had happened last week only, before the last week video. So the target, as I said earlier, the first target is 1824. We are still far away from that. Second target is 1854. Final target is around 1900 rupees. So still a long way to go. HDFC gave a breakout long back on 17th March itself. The final target was 2767, which was achieved on 4th April when they announced the merger, and from then it has been coming down. Now the stop loss is 2402, 2406, 2402. So that's the stop loss. If it crosses that stop loss, then you can expect 2133 on HDFC. Hero MotoCorp is still in the no trade zone. There is still nothing happening, so let's not talk about it. Hindalco, the war seems to have had its run. Hindalco has given a very big run right from 476 to 632, and now it is bearish. I find that Hindalco has already given a breakdown signal. You can go short if you want to do that. You were supposed to go short at 571. First target is 541. Second target is, I think 541 should be the target. 550 should be the target maximum. Hindustan Unilever has given a breakout, and this breakout will take Hindustan Lever to 2350. Finally, it will take it to 2420. ITC long awaited breakout has come. I had predicted only 240, and then I had said 260 as the final target. But beyond this target also, it has gone now at 267. I think now ITC good days are there. Expected, because you can see here, this is a very nice cup kind of a thing. So maybe you'll get a handle, and then if that happens, then 265 and 210, this 55 rupees. So from 265 onwards to another 55 rupees makes it 320 as the next target for ITC. the next probably 6 months. No, not so early. L&T, you can see here earlier also I had said this is it has given a breakout, and this breakout also happened on 4th April. First target is 1926, second target is 1976, final target is around 2000 rupees. So get ready to ride the wave on L&T. M&M, Mahindra and Mahindra has given a breakout long back. It has given a breakout on 17th March itself. It is nearing its target. I think final target should be around 899 or so, and but there will be some resistance around 870. So that's all about M&M. Reliance, I had predicted that it will go to 2600. It went to the 2600. It went about 2600, nearly to 2700, and now it has come back. But it is still in the as if you have bought it, you can keep it. The stop loss is 2496 or 2500. Only if it crosses 2500, if it falls below 2495, then you can think of selling it off. Otherwise you can carry Reliance. Shree Cement, last week only, in my last week's video I had said that it is poised for a breakout. It has broken out, and then now the first target is around 26,175, and final target is around 27,566. Tata Consumer breakout has happened long back again. Target is 854. You can keep holding the stock. Tata Motors gave a breakout on 5th April, and still it is hovering at the same buy level. I think this breakout is going to make a big difference to Tata Motors. First target is 499, second target is 524, and if you remember, if and whenever Tata Motors crosses 530, then there are going to be great fireworks. Wipro has not come up to the expectations. It gave a buy signal long back. The buy signal came on 14th March, but I think and the stop loss for Wipro is 567. We are just 6 rupees away from the stop loss, but nevertheless, if you are holding it, keep it. If you don't hit the stop loss, then the target is straight away 690. Tata Steel has been the darling of the markets for a long time now, for the last it's been from something like 1300 levels, 1200 levels. Now it is at 1370. The ultimate target for Tata Motors is around 1500 rupees, 1490, 1500 rupees. So you can keep on holding Tata Motors and keep trailing stop losses. Apollo Hospitals, this breakout had happened long back. I'm very sorry, this breakout did not fructify. Doesn't seem to have fructified. The stop loss is still at 4440, and we are at 4606 now. If it doesn't hit the stop loss, then we still have a target of 5,335 or so, something like that. Dr. Reddy's very good breakout on 24th March itself. target is 4,800 and 4,900 or so. So keep carrying Dr. Reddy. Titan has been very volatile. It has been going up, down because of the volatility in gold. It has given a sell signal. The first target for Titan is 2360. You can go short on the futures. You can, or if you are holding Titan, I think you could sell and wait until maybe 2350 or 2300 to buy it back. That's the target. SBI has given a breakout had given a breakout on 15th March itself. The target, as I had said earlier, was 527. We are at 516. The high here has been 519. If you want, you can still carry up to 527. That happens to be the target, or else it's left to you, because things may change anytime in the banking circles. But anyway, this has given a very good run, and 527 happens to be the target for SBI. BPCL, because of the unshackling of the petrol prices, suddenly it has started moving up from 1st April onwards, and now we are at 384. Target for BPCL is 405, so we can expect this stock to keep going up to 405. Kotak Bank gave a breakout long back, then it started falling again. There are some issues with this thing now. I think a new one has to be built in. So let's see what has happened to Kotak Bank. Let's not go so far for. Yes, I'm just drawing a line with the close numbers, not with the highs. You can see there is a nice sloping trend line, and so we'll have to wait for this trend line to be broken for Kotak Bank to go up, but the real buy signal will come only at 1874. So another 100 rupees it has to move to give a clear cut buy signal. UPL has been a trader's delight. It has been going up down. This is very crucial for UPL now. It is at a very crucial level of 809. The target was 836. So but once it hit to 814 and came down. Now also it has hit 819 and closed at 809. So I'm keeping my fingers crossed. 835 seems to be achievable target for UPL. Last week also I mentioned that the target given for Infosys was 1950, but at 1923 only it started falling. Now the stop loss is it's very near the stop loss of 1779. So let's hope that we will not hit the stop loss. Bajaj Finance, people have been talking a lot bad about this, but see, it has hit the target. It hit the target of 7590. That was the target given. Ultimate target you may not get, but this target is already hit. So let's wait. The stop loss for Bajaj Finance, if you are trailing it, is 6910. Sun Pharma had given a breakout. I had mentioned this, that Sun Pharma is in stratosphere right now. So if you are carrying it, keep carrying. Stop loss is 877. JSW Steel, the run is very good. Let's keep let's keep invested in JSW Steel. Stop loss is 679. I'm only talking about stop losses because if you have already invested, then it is better to keep trailing your stop losses. This HDFC Bank gave a buy signal on 17th March. The target was actually only 1570, but because of the news, it went all the way up to the target of earlier target of what, 1722, and then it has come down. I think the stop loss is 1476. If it breaches the stop loss, you can start going short on it. TCS. Disclosure is I have invested in TCS. That is the only stock which I have invested in. Stop loss for TCS is 3622, and target, as I said earlier, also is 4050. ICICI Bank, the breakout came on 1st April. First target is 779, second target is 809, final target is 820. Power Grid is in blue sky zone. You can expect wherever it wants, it can go. You keep trailing your stop loss. The trailed stop loss now is 216. Maruti gave a buy signal on 22nd March, but from then it has not made anything, no progress. Stop loss is 7174. Target happens to be nearly 8800. So if you have bought it at that time, wait, revise your stop loss and wait. IndusInd Bank, the breakout came on 1st April. Target was very small, 976. It's already at 985. It is at a level where it needs a big breakout. If it breaks out of this level, the final target is around 1250 or so, but this is a very, very crucial level of 8. This 985 happens to be a very crucial level. You can see that it has hit 980 around. It has hit 981 on 2nd February, 990 on 11th February, 980 on 17th February, 987 on 16th February. So and then of course 994 on 4th April, 994 on 5th April, 986 on 7th April, and 990 on 8th April. So if it crosses 994, if it crosses 1000 rupees, let's say, let's take it round figure 1000 rupees, then the target is, first target is 1132, final target is 1251. Axis Bank has given a good breakout on 30th March itself. I had already, I think, mentioned this in the earlier videos. The target is 815. We are very close to the target. Let's keep our fingers crossed. HCL Tech has played cat and mouse game with the traders. The buy signal was 1201. From that day, that is from 14th March onwards, after it gave a buy signal, it has not moved at all, and we are stuck in HCL Tech for a long time. Let us hope that it breaks out. Stop loss happens to be now 1121, and if it doesn't hit this stop loss, then you have a big move to 1361. ONGC is on a boil because of the oil. It went up tremendously to 194.95, 195 or so. The target was not that much, but still it went. Now the stop loss is 159, and until the stop loss is not hit, you can still be invested in ONGC. NTPC has just crossed all levels, and so stay invested. The stop loss is 143. Coal India breakout had come on 28th February. Now we have already hit the ultimate target of 194. So let's wait until this is breached, until this high of 203 is breached. Only when it is breached, then you will find a big up move. Stop loss seems to be 177. Okay, Bharti Airtel gave a big breakout on 17th March, and then it went to the ultimate target of 768, which I had said. It went all the way up to 780. Stop loss is now, if it comes down, the stop loss is 716, but stay invested. There's a lot to happen in Bharti Airtel. Tech Mahindra, again, just like HCL Tech Mahindra also gave a breakout on 9th March, and is still playing around. I don't know, it may hit the stop loss of 1419, very near to the stop loss. If it doesn't hit, then the target remains, that is 1800 rupees. All IT stocks are playing the same kind of game. Divi's Lab gave a breakout on 17th March, and from then onwards it has been above the breakout level. So let's hope that it gives you good returns. First target 4,759, second target 4,920, next target 5,135, ultimate target is 5,399. Stop loss, of course, is 4,218. Adani Ports. Adani Ports had given a very good breakout last week. It has given a very good breakout. The ultimate target was 868. That also has been reached. Now stay invested. The stop loss is 781. HDFC Life. I had spoken about life insurance companies. I had said that we can expect this breakout. This breakout happened on 4th April. Now it's still in an investment zone. First target is somewhere around 600. Second target 620. Ultimate target is going to be great because of the LIC IPO, etc. The ultimate target is going to be 743, 750, something like 750. So excellent breakout for HDFC Life. Another life insurance company, same case again. SBI Life has given a breakout only on 8th April, and ultimate target is somewhere here, that is 1295. So stop loss is still not decided. Stop loss probably will work out to 1047. So 100 rupees stop loss. Ultratech has given a breakout on 29th March. here, and target is 7553. We are 800 rupees from away from the target. Bajaj Auto gave a breakout on 16th March. The target was only 3656. It has gone beyond the target. It is at 3800 now. Next target is around 3985. Last one for today. This again, I had spoken about this. The Bajaj Finserv has given a breakout on 17th March, and first target was 17,100. So that target was achieved 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Now you can still stay invested. The final target is 18,391. Stop loss remains at 15,884. Right. So we come to the end of this session. I am requesting all of you, please share these videos with all your friends who are interested in stock markets, who are trading, who are investing, and those who want to learn. I also run an online school called Money School. If anybody is interested, you can drop in at Money School and register yourself. I'll be happy to teach fundamental and technical analysis. It's usually on weekends, so you can find time to learn new techniques, new skills, and maybe become a good investor. Please like this video. Please share this video.